Imagine your future self looking back on your life. Now, picture two scenarios. In one, you're financially stressed, missing out on opportunities. In the other, you're wealthy, secure, and free to live on your own terms. The difference is one powerful skill that most people overlook: financial education. Let's face it, we spend years in school learning things we may never use, but the one skill that could transform our lives, financial knowledge, remains untouched. Crazy, right? I mean, how many of us graduated knowing what investment is, or how credit scores work? Most of us spent more time learning the quadratic formula than learning how to budget. When was the last time you calculated the roots of an equation in real life? But here's the thing: financial ignorance isn't just a missed opportunity, it's dangerous. Without this knowledge, we're vulnerable. Imagine not knowing how to swim in a deep ocean. Financial illiteracy is just like that. So, what happens when we don't understand money? It's a question we can't afford to ignore. To build wealth, we need to learn the foundations, simple concepts that open the doors to financial freedom. And it starts with one habit that 90% of financially successful people share: understanding how money works. Let's break this down. Financial education isn't a rich people thing, it's a life thing. You don't need a six-figure salary to start, but you need the knowledge to make every dollar count. Picture it as your own personal toolkit for life: debt, investing, saving. Without these tools, it's like trying to build a house without any nails. So, quick question: do you think it's possible to out-earn poor spending habits? Spoiler alert, it's not. If your expenses grow as fast as your income, you're on a treadmill, going nowhere. Alright, so you're convinced. But where do you actually start? And how can learning about money really change your life? When you begin to master money, something incredible happens. You stop fearing every unexpected expense, every sudden downturn. You begin to see opportunities others miss, because you have the roadmap they don't. Imagine feeling excited about investing instead of intimidated. Picture knowing that every dollar you put away is working for you, even while you sleep. Financial education does more than teach you about money, it hands you the reins to your own future. Think about it: the choices you make today could set you up for a lifestyle where you're in control, or one where money controls you. Which side do you want to be on? If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this: investing in financial education is investing in you. It's a skill, a powerful tool that can shape the rest of your life. And here's the urgency: each day you wait is another day where opportunities slip by. So, are you going to just scroll to the next video? Or are you going to take that first step? Hit subscribe if you're ready to unlock your financial future. And remember, knowledge is only powerful when you put it to use. Now, go and start building the life you truly deserve.